Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is on.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a Christmas village. I'm going to be putting it on top of my fireplace because I don't want to create a lot of mess for myself. I don't want a lot of cleanup. I want to do this as minimalistic as possible. And I wasn't going to do this, but my granddaughter, she wanted me to do this because she likes the Christmas village. So I got a few things from Dollar Tree and I purchased a few things from Amazon. I've had this stuff for about 3 years. But yeah, it's not a whole lot. It's going to be very minimalistic. I hope you guys like this. If you do, let me know in the comments. I appreciate y'all so much. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Right here, you see me taking down the mirror. I'm going to create a Christmas bow. I'm using the extra ribbon that I had from the Christmas tree. I cut 2 pieces, one horizontal and one vertical. And what I did was I just took a hot glue gun and I glued the pieces to the back of the mirror. Next, I created a bow to go in the center of the mirror. I'm going to use my hot glue gun to secure it in place. When I'm done, it should look something like this.
Silent night, holy. Holy mother and child.